Okay, so hey, last time we were here, I was working on my gas tank and trying to get the fuel plate and the fuel pump, which all is underneath, rear mounted or bottom mounted to this tank, straightened out and working. As you can see by the fact that I now have a BMW blue tank on my 03 R1200. Camera's not focusing, I don't know why. On my 03 R1200 CL. I actually kind of like the look of it. I don't know, let me know in the comments if I need to have it painted or not. I think I might leave it. I probably won't though. Anyway, bottom line, let me take you over here for a minute. Across my messy garage, it's my other bike. To my other tank, the original tank, I messed with this forever and got some great, I ended up drilling out those studs and replacing them and trying to glue them in with epoxy, really good epoxy. And then I was going to redo the fuel liner and all that. But the epoxy just wasn't doing the job of handling the torque on those screws. So I invested some money, bought a new tank, everything's hooked up, it's tight, but the fun part now, and I'm not going to film it, but so I don't have a cameraman or I would, but you know, you can see I'm still using the old fuel plate, and I had pulled out the Molex connector. Let me focus on that. The Molex connector that those leads go into, and broke it in the process. Anyway, that's 10-hour epoxy in there, and it is gasoline proof. Some people say it's resistant, some people say it's proof, but I have actually talked to a chemist and a machine shop chemist, and it is gas proof. And if you hate me for that, please don't yell at me, but it is. And that is plugging the hole, and yeah, there's way more there than I need there to be. Anyway, there's gas in the tank now, and I've got these two little crimped off fuel lines. There's the return, there's the send. I'm holding it back, and two vent lines aren't hooked up yet, but who cares? They just come up here to the top of the tank, and I've got them taped up. Eventually they will connect to my little parts bin here, to this little float that sits in the top of the tank and holds the line for the vent and the line for the water drain as well. On that, the rest of my parts. Anyway, so what I get to do now is like my hood prop, I get to, or my gas tank prop up thing, I get to disconnect these things with gas in the tank, which I'm hoping is kind of sitting at the front of the tank, and try to hook up the real lines, which again, I've talked about this on other videos, but this is the return, okay, top, and this is the send. All right, this is the supply and the return, which on the plate looks like this. Get the focus here. This guy's the return, and this guy's the send. Okay, wiring's pretty straightforward. Plus and minus, 12 volt DC. Anyway, yeah, she's coming along. I just changed the oil, and I've got her up on a jack, so pinned the handlebars to keep them from banging on the tank. Anyway, next thing I'm going to do is take a gasoline bath when I pull these plugs off and try to connect the real lines, and then I'm going to let it sit for about 12 hours with these garage doors open and vent all the fuel before I even think about testing this thing, because I don't want to explode. So yeah, the 03 BMW R1200 CL We're almost there. Thanks for watching. Peace.